If you're new to the DJI world and you want to update your camera, hit the connect. They're going to communicate to one another, join. Within 5-10 seconds, it's going to say new firmware available. Tap to update. What's new? Added pre-recording in video shooting mode. When enabled, the camera, we can read this as we go along, enables the camera's footage within a set time durations, 5, 10, 15, 30, 60. Sounds like it's hindsight added to the DJI, something that GoPro has. It also improves upon the GPS, Bluetooth remote controller, and adds highlights. So DJI is now becoming a GoPro. How sweet is that? Every time we upload firmware, it's always about 164 meg. Please, before you update firmware, always write down your custom settings and where your camera's on, because DJI is going to factory reset your camera most likely. So we have some fixes, minor bugs, issues. When I use an external mic and when things close down, we had no sound. I believe somebody said now that is fixed. DJI is very fast in fixing items. We're almost done and completed. So any questions you have about loading firmware, here optimize the stabilization in the cycling scenario. So does that mean you're riding a bicycle and it corrects the issue that some people were seeing the video shaking? One member had that problem. His video was all over the place when he was on EIS. Hopefully that was the issue. Update successful. Hit done. It's going to communicate back and forth to one another. The camera restarts. 82% battery power. I used my camera. I did some vlogging before I had video. I was on 1080p. I was on 4K video resolution. It dropped it down to 1080p, as you can see. Updates completed. So make sure you reset your camera back up. I want to make sure I'm on 4K. I had one custom in here, was on 24 frames per second. I was on rock steady, horizon balance right there. And if I go into quick switch, everything looks like it's about the same. And if I switch over,
photo, video,
I was okay with that. And here I am with my profile, which I no longer have. So there you have it. That's how you update. DJI app, Osmo, Action 4. Enjoy, everybody.